everyone is aware these days that there is the current affair part and there is the static GK part. For current affair, also just stick to one magazine. I used to buy law this news and event, that was just a 15 rupees book. It was a very slim book, but it used to cover the whole month in great detail. It had 60 pages and it was very nice to read, nice and sweet magazine, 15 rupees magazine. You can buy any, there are plenty of current affairs magazine, but buy one magazine, it is good. If you want to read from internet, then also there are many websites. There are, I believe, Cloud Affairs, there is, I believe, GK Today. There are many websites. If you feel comfortable in reading from internet, then that is also an option which is available. But be aware of the current affairs of each month and try to just keep it handy, so that ऐसा ना हो कि एग्जाम आ गया and you are searching for the current affairs कि अब internet से search कर लेता हूँ, that becomes very difficult. And usually at least 1 year current affairs should be prepared. Like if you are giving in September 2019, then September 2018, September 2019, you should be aware broadly of the current affairs. For starting GK also, just I had Lucent. So any good book, any I think one book is sufficient, because in DGS there is not very not so much of I would say concentration on GK as it is in other state. Like UP has so much of concentration. There is a very, I think, very big paper on GS. So in DGS there is not so much, but of course you should be aware of the basic geography and basics of the static GK part also. Just buy one good book, whichever suits you. Lucent I found very good, so I stuck to it. I kept on reading it, and many times I found that questions are there. Some, obviously you cannot know everything in GK also, it is endless. So even if you are able to answer like out of maybe 10, 5 out of 10 correctly, then that is also fine, I believe. In when you see from the whole perspective, when you see गलत करने से अच्छा है कि सही कम कर लो, that is a better strategy, because there is negative marking. For English now, for me, I really love languages, English, Hindi, so I have a habit of reading novel, etc. So usually the law student, the judiciary aspirant, usually they are good readers, they have a knack of reading. So they don't really face problem in the DGS exam when it comes to the English aspect. uh, and also learning English is not a 1 or 2 day affair. You can't mug up the entire vocabulary in one day. You can't develop good grammar overnight. So the best way is to read every day. If you love reading novels, magazines, then you will read it. If you are not a very avid reader, then read the newspaper. You have to read one newspaper every day, the Indian Express or the Hindu. So that if you are going to read newspaper, that will also cover your English writing aspect. When you will keep reading English newspaper every day, that will take out it is going to improve your English. You will be able to answer the basic English questions which are asked in the pre-exam. There are vocabulary questions also, and the questions which also test your grammatical abilities. When you are doing some kind of reading every day, automatically your English improves. But make it a point to read something every day in English. um, I think that is it for pre broadly, the concept part and the BERAC part, the GK part and the English part. So, in nutshell, reading a newspaper every day, be aware of the current affair, stick to one book for static GK, stick to one book each for each law. BERAC in must have judgment, one mark in some way or the other. So these are, in nutshell, this is how I prepared, and I think it will keep you in good stead. You will be able to clear it.